Good day guys and welcome to the Compuknowledge YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at the Visual Studio Code text editor and the functions and basics of it. Right guys, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to create a folder. I'll be showing you the purpose of the folder just later on. So you go to new, you go folder, and you can go and call it Hello World. Right guys, after that you can go and open up your Visual Studio Code text editor, and now you will see after you've done installing it, it will look something like this. Then you can go and say open folder, you can go to your desktop and you can go and select Hello World and you can click on select folder. Right guys, now it will look like this. Alright, don't worry about this, you can just go and click on this close button and it will look like this. Right guys, so now you will see that this text that says hello world, so this is basically the heading of your folder that's open. You will see that it's that folder. Alright, so the reason why there's nothing to be seen is because the folder is empty, as you guys can see. But let's open up something. I just want to show you guys the basics and how we use it. Alright guys, so then you are going to click on this. You will see if you hover your mouse over this, it will say new file. You are going to click on new file and now you will see that you need to type in something. Right guys, so your HTML file, the very first file of your website is always called your index. So we are going to call it index, right? Dot, or you guys also can call it full stop, and then after the full stop we are going to refer the type of file, right guys? And in this case we are doing web development, so we are going to call this HTML. And guys, please notice how this icon changes. Like, let's say for example, if I take this text away, then it's like that. So when you put HTML, then you will see it's like that. Alright, so after you've typed in HTML, you are just going to press enter, right? And then you will see you can start your coding lines and everything like that. Right guys, so please don't worry about what I'm going to do now. I'm not going into deeply in this video. I just want to show you guys some few basics and how to use the text editor. Right guys, so as you can see, so when you right guys, so please always remember to save your project as you are going, because anything might happen. For example, your power might shut down or you might get an error or anything like that. So please guys, please remember to save as you go. Right guys, you will see if you if you just minimize your window, you will see when you type in, there's your index file. So there's your first HTML file. As you can see, when you click on it, let's say, for example, this has like a word text icon, like it wants to open up with with a text file. Then you're simply going to go and right click. You're going to say open with, and you're going to say, so you're going to open it with your browser. So in some cases, some people might use Internet Explorer, some may use sorry guys, Firefox, some might use Microsoft Edge like me. So I'm going to select Microsoft Edge. Right guys, so there's your website so far. So as you can see, it's just blank, there's nothing going on. So guys, so as you can see, like when I told you guys that when we are referring to an HTML file, we are referring to the whole website. So this is where your website will be and where everything will be displayed. Thanks for watching guys, and please guys, if you are enjoying the videos, please don't forget to go and subscribe, and don't forget to drop a like. And guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. In the next lesson, we'll be looking at a few tags and how we are going to build our website in Visual Studio Code.